The Jurassic Park X Jaw 3 brings the world of the legendary film to your feet with a design packed with story and detail. This special collaboration features 3 colorways inspired by the movie's iconic logo, highlighted by a bold black to yellow gradient that gives the upper a rugged, warning signal feel. The finely woven mesh mimics natural textures, while sharp zigzag overlays add movement and energy. A deep ruby jaw lettering slashes across the side like claw marks, reinforcing the theme. The outsole showcases a 3-dimensional pattern that resembles reptilian footprints, adding weight and character to every step. On the tongues, you'll find split branding, Morant's emblem on one shoe and the Jurassic Park logo on the other. Inside, a hidden velociraptor graphic appears on the insole, enhancing the storytelling. With 12 engraved on the heel and carefully matched stitching, this pair blends movie nostalgia with performance style, making it a standout for both hoopers and collectors.